And a theme. What's going on, Blast? Alright, everybody, what is going on? Welcome to another episode of the Dog Hair. I am your host tonight, the Big Dog. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Tonight, you are gonna be, what was the oh no for? Tonight, we are gonna be going over the Game Awards. Now, I want to preface this by saying this will be a genuine reaction to the Game Awards because I did not watch it beforehand because I was actually at work last night. So give me one of these for being at work last night while this was going on. Yeah, your boy can't win. I don't know. But I get to watch it tonight with my viewers. But it's better this way, in my opinion. It's better this way. I get to react with my fam, with the Big Dog fam. I gotta find a name for you guys, for my squad. I think Blast, you came up with one. Speaking of which, you've been to 2 of my streams, so you, my friend, have earned yourself mod privileges. Give me 2 seconds. 047. Let's see if that worked. Yeah. Well, don't worry about. I mean, if you don't know how to use it, don't worry about it, man. It's fine. There's never too many people in the chat anyway, and usually Streamlabs does more of the work. So, without further ado, let's get started, shall we? Oh, for fuck's sake.
For all you completionists out there,
Let's rewind a little
2021.
bit. Let's rewind a little bit. You playing Battlefield?
What's up, everyone?
What's wrong with you? Oh, man, you get an L for that. Nah, I'm just messing with you, bro. Enjoy Battlefield.
Welcome to the 2021 Game Awards pre-show. It's a show for all you completionists out there that rewards you with exclusive content, awards, and not to be missed, or you'll
No, it's not.
embarrass yourself world premieres. I'm Sydney Goodman, and as you can see, I am in person at the iconic Microsoft Theater to hype you up for gaming's biggest night.
Can I just say something? What the fuck is she wearing? Bro, she looks like she's wearing a bathrobe.
We are live streaming around the real world and in the virtual world, thanks to Horizon Venues with Oculus. Our main show starts soon and includes massive musical performances, some of the biggest talent and AAA titles, like Suicide Squad, The Matrix Awakens, and Destiny 2. But if there's one thing this community knows, it's that you don't have to hail from a giant studio to make your mark in gaming. So let's start off strong with our first world premiere, an indie action adventure that is as charming as its hero is cunning. This is Tunic.
This is Game Awards. Alright. Yeah, they're making a Suicide Squad versus the Justice League game. It's being made by the same people who made the Arkham series, actually. That wasn't that interesting. I'm sorry.
And now it's time for the very first award of the evening, and I really can't think of a better one to start us off. Games for Impact. This category highlights the very best of what gaming can be. Thought-provoking stories that challenge the player on more than just skill, exploring all the corners of the human condition. These are the games that remind us, in a medium where you can be anything, be good, or at least chaotic neutral. Here are the nominees of the Games for Impact Award. And the Game Award for Games for Impact goes to Life is Strange: True Colors.
Have you played any of those games? Because I have not.
Thank you so much. I can't believe we won. As devs, we work on games for years at a time before we share with the world, and by the time we do, the world's often different from when we started the adventure. That's never been more true for me than with Life is Strange: True Colors. It's not just about finishing a game in quarantine. Who could have predicted what kind of an impact a game about human connection would make in 2021? So from everyone at Deck 9 and our partners at Square Enix, thank you so much.
Congratulations. Now, before we take a quick break, I have to tell you about Luna, Amazon's cloud gaming service that turns your TV into a gaming console.
Really?
Now, if you haven't heard of Amazon, they're a little indie development studio.
Bruh.
That wasn't funny.
I'm kidding. Anyway, now for a limited
I know you were kidding. That's why it wasn't funny.
time, the Fire TV gaming bundle is $40 off. The bundle includes a Fire TV Stick 4K Max and Luna controller, a high-performance controller built for Luna. Get it now at Amazon.com/gaming bundle. We'll be right back with more Game Awards pre-show after this.
They're going to commercial? Really?
Hey, Game Awards, I'm Nate Hill.
Hey, I'm Ariel Powers, and we'll be watching the Game Awards streaming to you on Verizon's 5G network.
Yeah, come check it out. We're going to party hardy until we can't hardly party. And there's going to be some surprise guests along the way.
I think one of their names is Jack Harlow, yeah?
I think one is Jack Harlow.
Yeah, Jack Harlow.
Who the fuck is Jack Harlow?
So yeah, come by at 5 p.m. Pacific, and we'll be on twitch.tv/Nate Hill.
Yeah, see you guys soon.
What was that chick's name? I want to see how old she is. Oh, this is cringe. It is cringe. Why is it the Game Awards is always so cringy?
Ragnarok is here. And it will take the full might of your tribe to turn the tide for Midgard. Yes, even them.
What the flying fuck?
You are Hyperion, chosen by the gods for this very moment, to cut this giant problem down to size.
This looks like
No
League of
pressure.
Legends, right? Nobody's ever heard of it, I bet. Yeah, screw it, I'll look that up later. Up. Okay, there we go. Need to get closer to my mic.
Hey everyone, and welcome back. We are so happy to have you with us, whether you're in person or watching the stream. We polled Reddit's r/gaming community to see what their pick is for 2021's Game of the Year, and the winner is Resident Evil Village.
Really?
And if you're on TikTok, use the hashtag Game Night to celebrate the Game Awards. We are getting closer to the big
not
show, and
TikTok.
people are showing up early because
I can't
the early
stand
birds get the
TikTok.
worm, and they know better than to miss out on 3 of the biggest world premieres in gaming that we are about to see. Roll the thing.
Another one.
KOF 15.
King of Fighters. I've heard of this game. Or this series. Really?
草薙ね。別人にしてもうた。てめえの面見てっとイライラしてくるぜ。
Bro, if I was just a lazy bastard, I'd learn how to speak Japanese. Don't judge me.
Welcome to KOF, the world's premier martial arts festival. The King of Fighters 15! Get ready for a fight!
Pre-purchase on Steam now. Huh. Interesting. Game based on true event. Uh-oh. That's never good when they tell you that. Ooh, by the way, I'm gonna be skipping all the musical performances because I don't want to get copyright struck. Granted, I don't make money off these videos, so... Oh well. Oh god. I don't do any music part. Is this Texas Chainsaw Massacre? I was right. Texas Chainsaw Massacre. Way ahead of you, Blast. Way ahead of you, buddy. What's this?
I remember the Kartoba. An island in a dune sea. I remember the guide stone. The diamond shoals. The sisters of Balcora spinning 100 billion stars. The song of the core. I remember opening the gates.
Okay, what is this? This stuff is boring as hell. Yeah, I'm gonna skip this. I'm gonna skip that. Why choose this? Homeworld 3. Coming Q4 2022. Epic Store and Steam, blah 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 blah. Game I'm not gonna be playing.
And now I have the honor of announcing the winners for 4 esports categories.
Oh god.
For Best Esports Athlete, here are the nominees. And the Game Award goes to...
Wait. Is my man's name really Simp? Of all the names you could have picked, you picked... Oh, man. That's funny.
Simple.
That is funny.
Congratulations.
I bet he's a tryhard.
And
He
now,
probably
here
is.
are your nominees for Best Esports Team. And the Game Award goes
Oh, the FaZe
to
Clan. Oh, boy.
Nodis Vincier.
Oh, interesting.
Congratulations, Navi.
I legit thought the FaZe Clan was going to win that one, but I guess not.
For Best Esports Coach, here are the nominees.
Again, a bunch of people I don't know who the fuck
And
they
the
are.
Game Award goes to Coma. Congratulations, Coma. And for Best Esports Event, here are the nominees. And the Game Award
Oh shit, Evo's not on there.
goes to
Damn.
2021 League of Legends World Championship. Congratulations, League of Legends World Championship, and congratulations to all the winners. And now we have 3 more world premieres in a row ready for you, spanning all different genres and niches. Niches.
Yes, it's niche, you uncultured swine.
Niches. And to start us off, rising from the ashes to take their rightful place as gaming royalty once again, Telltale Games is back and better than ever, and I cannot wait for you to see.
I thought they went out of business. Whatever, I guess.
I've heard stories about you. I know you've been a rock hopper, so you survived the crushing black of space. You work the docks on the series,
Okay, it's me, Minecraft story.
so you don't
5
put up
years
with any
ago.
bullshit.
Oh, really? That I didn't know.
You were Dawes' attack dog, so you don't have any problems killing inners or belters who disagree with the OPA.
What is this guy, like a space mountaineer? Oh, it's a woman.
I've heard quite a bit about you, Kamina Drummer. It's hard to tell if it's all true, though.
Truth is truth. How you deal with it is up to you, Boss Man.
Damn. She a cold bitch for that. That was cold.
Hi, I'm Kara G from Amazon's hit show.
I'm sorry. You're gonna be hearing that a lot.
The Expanse. And
Oh,
I'm thrilled
Jesus.
to be exploring this great character further. Check out the next issue of Game Informer to learn more about The Expanse,
Oh,
a Telltale
God.
series.
To think Game Informer used to be
We
good.
all have our reasons for Babylon's tower to fall. But not everyone has the power to make it happen.
Where's Halo Infinite?
You do.
I think it's supposedly coming at the end, towards the end of the show.
Your
I'm tempted
bond
to
with
skip
the
to that.
Gideon coffin gives you strength. Powers. Control. The only thing you can't do is go back.
Minus expenses.
The tower awaits.
Yeah. My
It's
YouTube is
time
not really
to
access.
ascend.
Yeah, I can't disagree with you. Scalpers are assholes. March 3rd. Wait, what the hell is this? Was it another turn-based game?
Free weekend. Play now. And coming soon.
Something. What's up, What's up, everybody? I am Ariel Powers, and I'm at the Game Awards. Let me take you on a tour.
Bro, she got a masculine ass looking chin, bro.
That's the stage right there.
Jesus.
And this is the back of it. That's pretty much it. We'll be hanging out with myself and Nate Hill tonight on his Twitch channel. Make sure you come through. It's going to be all over Verizon's 5G network. It's going to be insane. We have some special guests for you, so make sure you tune in and hang out.
Her jawline's more defined than mine is, man. That ain't fair. That ain't fair.
Bruh. See you there.
And now, guess what I have? 2 more world premieres for you, coming in steaming hot, fresh from the oven. Let's take a look.
Again? I thought this was an award show, not a fucking...
A creature wanders restlessly through the darkness. Silver light illuminates the land and the mountains. And with an entranced roar, it shows its true form.
GPs. I don't know about all that, but I don't want you to end up in jail.
This is a royal matter.
This is boring. Fuck. I'm sorry.
We shall be in port soon.
I gotta skip all this, man. I forgot how bad this thing is. Like, it's so bad.
Hey, y'all. You've been reckless with other people's hearts for so long, Jala. It was a matter of time before you wrecked your own. Morning, Ma. Wow, Jala. Hi, Auntie. You pissed off your exes so much, they organized against you.
Whoa, what? Are we flirting? Or are we fighting? The fuck is this guy?
Come closer and find out.
No.
Emma!
Bro, what is this? You know what this looks like? This feels like the poor man's version of Scott Pilgrim versus the World. Isn't it? Except it's not as fun.
Time to cook.
Oh
no. That's acceptable.
Bro, I want to show this to my Muslim friends so bad. They'd probably kill me. Yo, what the fuck are you doing? Thirsty suitors.
Coming soon. Patience.
Nope.
No, thank you.
Evil Dead the game at the Game Awards.
Wait, did you hear that? I think her audio fucked up.
Evil Dead.
You get another one. All that money, you can't get your audio right.
Dead the game at the Game Awards. And tomorrow on Twitch's Winter Gathering, Jeff Keighley will chat with Bruce Campbell himself and Saber's Tim Willits about the game, which is coming out next year. And now we've got the world gameplay premiere of another Evil game, Evil West, which we also announced last year at the Game Awards. Let's take a look.
Oh god. Another trailer.
You know what kept me alive all these years? Upkeep, maintenance, vigilance. Of course, all that means nothing when Hell's Gate starts spewing shit everywhere.
I mean, this is kind of interesting.
Let's do the bad thing.
No, it is not.
Whew, you didn't see that coming.
Okay, I'll admit, that was kind of cool.
I don't know about you, but I am greedy for more content. Here's a new world premiere from Perfect Worlds.
Enough with the trailers. Jesus. This is getting repetitive.
Ah, good morning, Death. What a lovely day to be alive, wouldn't you say? Ready for another busy week in the afterlife? Oh my, busy may have been an understatement. Evidently, your sorrows have been working overtime. Oh my, really? Wow, that is truly unprofessional. Now, Death, we talked about this. Try not to lose your temper again. Maybe it's about time your subordinates showed you some respect. Well, you know what they say. If you want things done right, it's best to do them yourself.
This could look interesting as well. thought this was first person. Okay, that looks exciting.
Hey everybody.
Well, not these two again.
I'm Ariel Powers. The Game Award is coming up. We're watching and hosting a watch party together on Nate Hill's channel.
Yeah, we're going to be watching on twitch.tv/Nate Hill, and it's all powered by Verizon 5G. We're going to be spending the night with some of the biggest stars, and me and Ariel,
Oh, shit.
so come by and check it out.
Come through. See you guys.
That was a fail
And
on my
now
part.
I have the pleasure of presenting the Game Award for Best Audio Design. When your medium relies so heavily on being successful in putting the player inside your story, audio design is everything. It's the ultimate hint system, an instant mood that either alerts the player to what's coming next or obscures it. It's basically playing God. Here are the nominees for Best Audio Design. And the Game Award for Best Audio Design goes to
I wonder.
Forza Horizon 5.
Yeah, thank you so much.
I mean, nothing against Forza.
Our audio
but-
team throughout the development of Forza Horizon 5 have just been so passionate about everything that they do. There's this relentless appetite to produce an audio experience of the absolute highest quality. This award, it really does mean the world to us. I'm going to say a few thanks if that's okay. So Fraser, Ruri, Mattia, Matt, and Rich, guys, you did it. This is for you.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Did you see that? He's about to take that thing and run. I can't say I blame him. Bruh. Can't say I blame him.
Congratulations, Forza Horizon 5. And now we have an incredible composer, Takeshi Furukawa, here to tell us more about his latest score. Let's check it out.
Uh-oh. Oh, no. I may have to skip
Hi
this.
everyone, I'm Takeshi Furukawa. You might have heard my music. I am most known for my BAFTA-nominated score for The Last Guardian. Several years ago, I met with a new and exciting Swedish studio who shared with me their vision for a beautiful sci-fi story. The game centers around a heartfelt relationship between a young girl and an adorable creature. I instantly fell in love with the project and its stunning visuals.
No thanks. I'm already bored.
Sorry, could you repeat that? After him! No!
Wait a minute. Did I do something?
Understand suffering.
I went too far. God damn it. Sorry.
Okay, everyone, it's time for me to hand it off to our main show. I hate to say goodbye, but I think I've earned a chance to chill out and have my mind blown with incredible awards and exciting art.
That's probably not the only thing gonna get blown. I'm going to hell, I know.
Performances by Sting and Imagine Dragons, appearances by Keanu Reeves, Carrie Ann Moss, Jim Carrey, Ben Schwartz, and yes, more world premieres coming up so soon for our main show. And I just want to say, I hope I didn't get too braggy about how many world premieres we had, but you know what? I'm not going to apologize, because when the best of game development and production has that much to share, I think we all win. And when it comes to the Game Awards, more is more, baby. Thank you all for getting stoked with me at the pre-show, and congratulations to the winners of our first awards of the night. And that's it for me. I'm Sydney Goodman. I'm going to go find my seat. The 2021 Game Awards starts now.
There we go. Like a 6-year-old assisted me. Alright, I'm gonna let this slide.
I am the monster you created. You ripped out all my parts. And worst of all, for me to live, I gotta kill the part of me that saw that I needed you more. I hope you know we had everything when you broke me and left these pieces. I want you to hurt like you hurt me today. I want you to lose like I lose when I play. Ouchies. What could have been.
Screws. There we go. Did he pop his collar? Oh, no, no, no.
Nope, nope, nope.
What the fuck are you doing, bro? He popped his collar like a leech. Oh, you out now? Oh, have a good night, my friend.
Oh, you're not afraid of the future? With all of its unknowns.
Why don't we just go ahead and tell her that we're divorcing?
My daughter is not a weapon.
Take him away.
The fate of the free-thinking world is in your hands.
I know you've been meeting with her behind my back.
It's not what you think, Mac.
I'm talking to you! Right here. In life and in death. I sense suffering here, Spirit. Keep it right here.
You have to work on it. You can't just give up.
We're never getting out of here.
Let's see how special you are.
I had been doomed to a life of solitude.
Rule is strength, but understand suffering.
It will not be fine. It will be fantastico!
I guess it's my time to shine.
God gives victory to the lions. When I look into your eyes, I see lions.
Sorry, could you repeat that? After him!
Do you feel it?
Yes. You want to stay a team? Enjoy the beach. One revolution was enough.
I'm breaking this loop.
Welcome to the Game Awards 2021.
Mike is in the house. What's goody, bro?
Now, here's your host, Jeff Keighley.
Oh, God.
Hello, everybody. We're here. We made it. Hello, everyone. I'm Jeff Keighley, and this is the Game Awards, video games' biggest night, live in person.
Oh, God, here we go.
It's amazing. First of all, wasn't Sting phenomenal? So honored to have him open our show. That was What Could Have Been from Arcane, the new Netflix series based on League of Legends. Thank you so much, Sting, Ray Chen, and the Game Awards Orchestra, conducted by Lauren Balfe. That was absolutely incredible. Thank you, guys.
Yeah, I had to skip that. YouTube ain't getting me.
Well, I gotta say, it feels so incredible.
What the fuck is Shang-Chi doing there? What is he doing there?
Incredible to be back here on stage at Microsoft Theater and streaming live to tens of millions of you around the world. This is a night for the fans. And, you know, the games we love are nothing without amazing developers. And that's why we do this show, to honor the creators of games. So welcome to all of you guys here today. So good to see everyone. But, you know, we got to be real, and we can't ignore the headlines that are out there. Game creators need to be supported by the companies that employ them. I think we all agree with that. So let me just say this before we get to any of the news or announcements or awards. We should not and will not tolerate any abuse, harassment, and predatory practices by anyone, including our online communities.
You should have said that about your own family, Fran.
Fatality.
Mario, I'm about to go crazy in this spot. God damn.
We all love games, and if we want this industry to keep growing, we must build an even brighter and more inclusive future. The games we play, and when the games that we love, they teach us that we can impact the world around us. And tonight, I call on everyone to do their part to build a better, safer video game industry.
Nope. No. Pay me first. I ain't doing that for free.
Speak out online. Vote with your time and with your dollars. Empower these world builders who are creating the future of all entertainment. And believe me, the future you're about to see looks absolutely incredible. We got a lot of good stuff for you. We have so much
What the fuck were you smoking backstage, bro?
news to get to. But now, to present tonight's first award, please welcome a nominee tonight and the star of Far Cry 6, the one and only Giancarlo Esposito!
I thought it was one Carlo. Kind of impacted by yeah, that's true too.
Independence allows a game to go a little bit more wild, become a bit stranger, and the freedom to break boundaries. Tonight's radically creative nominees for Best Independent Game demonstrate excellence achieved through great risk. Here are the nominees for Best Independent Game.
Best Independent Game.
I know this sounds weird, but the day's repeating itself.
What the hell? I can't say that by you, it's last. I think his name is pronounced One Carlo Esposito. I could be wrong though.
And the game award for Best Independent Game goes to
12 minutes went down.
Kena, Bridge of Spirits.
Kena, Bridge of Spirits also wins Best Debut Indie Game.
Alright, I'm gonna skip all this. Really doesn't.
Well, some team who kind of believe in it, so.
Okay, there we go. Bring up the page.
Awesome. Congratulations, guys. All right, now it's time to look into the future. 2 years ago, this team announced their game on this very stage. Now they're back with the first gameplay reveal. When I saw this, I could not believe it was actual gameplay, but it is, captured by the team in-game this past weekend. Sit back and get ready to experience a new level of cinematic immersion.
Oh no. Oh no. I hate when people say that.
And she said, with our swords, we will forge new stories to strike the gods that haunt us. You might see me as weak, but I will show you what lies behind my eyes.
Oh shit. Is this Hellblade 2? It's Hellblade 2, I think. I think it's called something else.
We will embrace our suffering, soothe our scars of grief, and break their siege of our minds. You may see them as gods, but we will show you what lies behind their eyes.
Yeah, I will say that graphically this game looks pretty good. Granted, I don't think the stream's doing it justice.
He's here. That's my name. He can smell your fear. It knows our name. How does it know our name?
To risk your own life for what you believe is your sacrifice to make. To lead others to death.
Jeez, wait.
Brings a different kind of burden.
Damn, Mike.
One that Senua.
And I thought I was an asshole. Nothing, I'm just kidding.
Can you smell their fear?
He's here. Death is coming.
Look at the bones.
Death is coming.
Look at the bones. That's going to be you.
God damn.
No one's ever going
He said this is gonna be you.
What makes you think you can stay
That voice is an asshole.
Those whose eyes are clouded by fear are besieged by the ghosts that haunt them. Senua saw that to win the war we must break this siege. Break it with an unshakable truth.
I slept 11 hours.
Break it with an impossible feat.
I wish I could get that much sleep.
Get ready. It's about to start. Get ready. Get ready. You can do this. First the iron, then the fire. Yes. Yes.
Try and pull something.
Yes.
Oh, you woke him up. Look at this. No, right? That's some shit.
Varric! Harold!
Joy! I'm here! I'm here! Take me! Chase me!
Gotta say, the cutscene looks amazing. I'd like to see some gameplay. Not gameplay. Bruh. That got me distracted with sleep. I'd throw that if I were you. Did she not get burned?
It's me it wants to kill.
Get ready!
I don't know the fireworks anymore. Hey, you meatballs, bro. Is my volume low, by the way?
Help me!
Oh, nah.
I know you. He needs you.
It is Hellblade 2.
Truly incredible. That's not a cinematic, that's gameplay, and that's why we do world premieres, because the state of our art just keeps getting better. Thanks to Ninja Theory for that incredible piece.
This motherfucker look like a vampire.
And now, it's time for our first of many brand new game announcements at the Game Awards. I hope you're ready.
What the hell is this? Oh, wait a minute. I heard about this. I think. Another Star Wars game, okay. Yoda, I think. Most of the music in this is pretty good. What's wrong with Star Wars games, Mike? I think it's gonna come up. I think that's also gonna come up towards the end of the show. I think. What the hell? You did, Blast, but it's alright. I don't mind. Quantic Dream. Interesting. What games did they make?
What a way to kick off our game announcement. Star Wars Eclipse will be the first game set in the High Republic era of the Star Wars galaxy, and it is being created by Quantic Dream in collaboration with Lucasfilm Games and is currently in early development. All right, there are many more game announcements to come, trust me, as well as awards. All night we are partnering with YouTube Shorts. If you have a favorite nominee tonight that doesn't win, let us know your thoughts by posting a YouTube Short with the hashtag #GotShorted and head to the YouTube Gaming Twitter handle to find out how to get your very own salty consolation gift. All right, right now it's time to meet our first Global Gaming Citizen, a program we started back in 2018 to turn our air over to individuals who are building positive, inclusive communities around gaming. We're honored to share their stories.
Okay.
I grew up playing games. Games was as a little kid, as a little gay boy, not knowing why I'm so different. Games gave me a place to feel safe and to be myself.
foi uma
no problem,
espécie
boss.
de escape.
Have a good night, brother.
Quando eu encontrei os jogos, quando eu comecei a jogar, eu acabei criando ali o meu espaço, sabe?
NANI? What is this? See you next stream. Alright, brother. Have a good night. Okay, I'm skipping this. I'm sorry. I'm skipping this. Mike, if you wanted to watch this, nothing wrong with them, but damn. Alright, I gotta do something about Streamlabs. Give me a minute. Give me a minute. Doing some on the fly stuff. Hang on, hang on. I gotta do something about that.
Foi daí que eu conheci o serviço de
Yeah, I'm skipping this, man.
These things that make you different. They can be what make you special.
Oh, you fucking kidding me. A Facebook gaming ad.
Bruh.
Jesus Christ. Ooh, AMD.
I've got you under my skin. I've got you deep in the heart of me. So deep in my heart that you're really a part of me. I've got you under my skin.
Resident Radeon.
Hi, folks. Pete Hines here.
Oh, no.
Bruh.
Yeah, we've got some stuff on sale. But let's all take a breather while we give away hundreds of free game codes. This is our small way of saying thank you for playing our games for the past 35 years.
I've never played any of your
And we're just getting started. From Ghostwire to Redfall to Starfield, and much more, including stuff that hasn't even leaked yet. So if you can't imagine doing anything other than developing and publishing games with us, we have a project that can use your talents. In fact, across Bethesda and all our studios, we're hiring. So consider this your invitation to join us.
Well,
there's a lot of work to be done, and we're running out of platforms to port Skyrim to. And because it's not simple to give anything away for free these days, here's a bunch of legal text.
That was kind of cringy.
Peace is the foolish dream of mortals.
Alright, I'm sorry, I'm skipping this. This is boring. There we go.
That was a new look at Lost Ark from Amazon Games coming in February. And speaking of Amazon, we're proud to partner with Prime Gaming on the Game Awards. This month, you can level up your gaming experience with free games, including Need for Speed, Hot Pursuit, Tales of Monkey Island, and Frostpunk. There's always something new to play every month. And for the games you already own, you can unlock skins, weapons, and more, including in League of Legends, New World, Apex Legends, and Roblox. Check regularly for new drops and surprises at gaming.amazon.com.
Mike,
Next,
you still with us,
in the days leading into the Game Awards, I read the internet with a little bit of fear, wondering if some of tonight's big surprises might leak. This one sure didn't. It's time for a new game announcement that no one had on their bingo card. Enjoy.
Actually, you know what? I'll stay on. I'll stay on. It's only fair.
My daughter,
A new threat
wait a
comes
minute.
to our shores, and I must call you home. Restore what has been broken. Unite old enemies. Forge new bonds. You are a hero, but you can be more. You can be a leader. You are Wonder Woman.
Okay. That's pretty short. It's really underwhelming.
They're the actors who portrayed Ellie and Abby in The Last of Us Part 2. Please welcome Ashley Johnson and Laura Bailey.
Yes, The Last of Us Part 2, one of the most controversial games of its time.
Every year, the Best Performance category brings surprising new faces and portrayals of wildly different characters. Tonight's nominated actors continue this tradition, once again stunning us with their extraordinary depth and dedication. Here are the nominees for Best Performance.
Okay. Best Performance.
I've seen the truth about you. I've seen the worst parts of you.
To rebuild paradise, the cost will be blood.
8 geniuses who painted up a prison and named it freedom.
You escaped my little brother's idiot games, did you?
Well, she doesn't remember.
Everybody chose to be your cult.
Don't hide your true self!
Give it to Lady D.
And the Game Award for Best Performance goes to Maggie Robertson.
Okay, good. She deserves it. Damn, she's tall. Bro, she is tall as fuck. Oh god, she got a...
Wow, that was the scariest walk I've ever done in my life. A huge
I'm gonna skip this.
DVD is amazing. Some
The world premiere.
We all come to a story with hopes and expectations, looking for an answer. Sometimes it would be better to live with that hope, without ever finding the story.
Oh, they're making a sequel to...
This story is a monster. And monsters wear many faces.
Alan Wake 2. Interesting.
My man, Sam Lake.
First of all,
skip all this bullshit.
It's Ben Schwartz.
Oh, Sonic the Hedgehog. Surprisingly decent movie.
How is everybody tonight?
How is everybody tonight? How is everybody tonight?
Hey, it's fucking,
Everybody, my name is Ben Schwartz. I played the voice of Sonic the Hedgehog in the Sonic the Hedgehog movie.
Okay, I can't do this anymore. I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry. I've put you guys through enough. And I've put myself through enough, man. Jesus Christ. This is terrible. Oh, that was so cringy. Anyway, guys. I will see you next time. Peace out.